ये मेरा मुंह है.
Beautiful and that Rohit created, and it's going to be sad as fuck. I'm having goosebumps right now. Oh my god. Okay, so I really want to document this because this is my best friend told me that this is a very beautiful part that needs to be documented, so I'm gonna document it. So the last few hours I have been panicking, I have been stressing, I've been laughing, and I've been bawling my eyes out crying because the time in this house that we've lived in for the last 4 years has come to an end. We have created, I'm just looking at the house that we've created, made a home out of, and adopted all these gorgeous little cats in, like, from 1 cat to like 9 now. All of them came into this house, were born in this house, like a lot of them, and have never seen anything outside of this house apart from the garden downstairs. And the memories and the parties that we have hosted here, the New Year's party and all of the get-togethers and the birthdays and the anniversaries and all of the special memories just Rohit and I have created in this house. The meals we've cooked in this kitchen. I mean, I don't like our kitchen at all, but now I love it. Now that it's coming to an end, everything, even the mess, everything, it's just there and it's not organized and it's started to break and we're not getting it repaired, of course, because we'll go. Everything's pretty again, and the last few months I've been like complaining about this doesn't work, this is broken, I don't like this paint, this is not enough light, we need more light in the house. And suddenly, now that I know that we're gonna leave, everything's pretty. We got these beautiful bedside lamps. We got this from Goa. That's a secret. And this as well we got from Goa, and a few other dream catchers we got from Goa. I got my first coffee machine, and we got this bar shelf. Oh my god. Okay. So, not going to get carried away, although I did. This mirror wall that Rohit created without me. He got the things from Amazon, saw a reel, got it from Amazon and stuck it all on the wall because he wanted to. The frames there I got from Hoskas for our bar wall especially. And oh my god, how can I forget this room? This wall that we painted together with neon colors as soon as we shifted here because we wanted like a room to trip in. Oh my god. Yeah, so 5 years or 4.5 years in this house coming to an end. It's exciting because we're gonna move to a new city and it's going to be a new chapter for us, and it's very challenging because we have to take all of the 9 cats to a new city and figure out the logistics and everything. And it's very challenging, very stressful, very like making me panic and also making me excited and happy and sad at the same time. And like I don't want to let it go, but I want to let it go because I want to start a new chapter in my life, our lives, and see what life has to offer in the next few years. But it's just that it's been so great and we're gonna leave it all behind. And I mean, it's for the good, but you know what I mean, it's just so surreal and it's so overwhelming and it's beautiful. And I'm having goosebumps right now while saying all of this because oh my god. it's going to be amazing, right? And it's going to be sad as fuck as well. And I think I'm ready to experience it all of the sadness and the excitement and the happiness and everything that this experience has to offer. And it's so new and it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And I was like crying and laughing and smiling and like alone, sitting on the couch and just laughing and crying at the same time. And I was like, fuck, I'm going crazy or something's wrong with me. And then I tell my friend And she's like, dude, this is beautiful. You need to document it. Send me pictures. And then I decided to make a video out of it because this truly is beautiful. I just didn't realize it. It's just beautiful. So if you're able to experience all of these emotions at once and you're able to recognize them, that you are experiencing these emotions instead of getting stressed out or blocking these emotions by like quick dopamine hits or whatever, and you're not blocking them and you're allowing yourself to experience all of it, you're not crazy. It's beautiful. just that. Just that for now. I mean, it's gonna be a ride, so I'll document it all, I guess.